Hi, now I'll be covering the meeting presentation. So let's first start by showing the end result of the AI created course using the specific document. All right, I'm going to go into my workspace here. So in my workspace, all right, I have a playlist of all the experiences that I've created. Now I have used a specific document from Changi Airport Group, and after importing it, the application was able to capture five different experiences from the document, and it has automatically converted them into Metaverse Builder immersive experiences and added them into a playlist which is called Ground Operations Safety Manual. I'm going to pick one of the experience here, which is training and competency of personnel of ground services. And I'm going to start experience and go into the lesson from an end user mode.
Is an experience about training and competency of personnel of ground survey. The training and competency of personnel in ground operations involves several key components.
Now I'm going to end the instructor mode. Now, because I have used a specific data set to create this experience, you can see here in the Eon portal, it says training data has a specific document. This allows us to ensure that any questions that we ask the avatar, the answers provided are based on the relevancy of the document, and the AI doesn't use any open resources. So let's try it out. Hi, tell me more about the safety protocols.
The safety protocols. In the context of continuous improvement.
Okay, there we go. As you can see, the avatar is providing me answer in stages, and the answers are all from the document. And not only that, when the avatar is narrating the answers, it is also relating it to the respective knowledge portals which are associated with the models at the back. Now, let's put this train AI into test, and I'm going to ask an irrelevant question. Hi, can you tell me the basic principles of the architecture design in building a palace?
Please keep the conversation focused on the topic.
Okay, and there we go. That's a validation that the avatar doesn't hallucinate, and we it is specifically using a trained AI data set to provide responses to our end users. And not only we provide an experience with knowledge portals, but to ensure that there is a knowledge transfer, we also have AI generated assessments such as multiple choice quizzes, Jeopardy assessments, and also a Socratic dialogue assessment with the avatar. Okay, and once learners have completed the activities at the back end, content creators, in this case would be me, I can refresh the page, and right below we have the statistics page here. And in this statistics page, you'll be able to monitor the performance of your learners here. So very shortly, my data entry will be appearing under the statistics page here. That's right. Today, at this time, I spent this amount of time attempting couple of activities in this specific experience. Now, we have seen how I have created five different experiences in a single playlist using a specific document. So let me show you in real time on how did I achieve it very quickly. So the top right, I go to create course catalog, and in this course catalog option I have train AI multiple creation option. In this option, what I'm going to do, I'm going to import the specific document which I just flashed to you, use it as a training document, and start upload. Now once I've selected start upload, the application is going to scan through the document, identify the key topics and description. Okay, there we go. All right, the application has suggested these lesson titles and description. I can make the amendments accordingly. And when I'm ready, I can select continue, and the application will start to generate the experiences for me. Okay, one of the experience is ready. So let me take you to the experience page. So just as how I have shown you earlier on, all the experiences will be saved into a specific playlist. This is the experience landing page. You get an overview. You will see the experience objective here. You have an AI report which gives you a quick overview on what are all the knowledge portals that are added to these specific experiences, and you can edit this experience. You can also start experience and immediately go into end user mode, and the rest are as per how you have experienced earlier on. Now we have seen quite a bit of hard skills experiences from our platform. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch screen and show you how you can also experience or soft skills experience using our mobile application in augmented reality. So let's go into Metaverse Builder.
Hi Ollie Muralitharan.
And a good to know information is that I can always switch to a different language if I want to. But in the interest of this demo, I'll keep it to English, role play, and bring my avatar right here. Now I can select the specific subject that I would like to learn about. So this is a learn, train, assess model. So let's go through the learning stage first. Let's pick any language, any topic here, perhaps hospitality and tourism. Okay, we have number of topics here. I'll go into customer service role play. Now I'm going to pick a specific hero image that best describes or relates to my subject here. Okay, this looks like a nice image. I go next, and then once I place this hero image in my environment here, the AI assistant is going to start generating all the knowledge portals that are relevant to customer service. So as I mentioned earlier on, this is a learn, train, assess model, as you can see at the top, and this is the learning stage where I have to learn about customer service role play. So it talks about communication, empathy, and all other related subjects.
Customer service role play. In hospitality and tourism involves simulating.
Okay, assuming that you are done, all right, you can select continue. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to design the scenario for our role play. Hotel guest is unhappy, tourist is lost and confused, customer at a restaurant is dissatisfied. So, because we are, meeting client in Changi Airport Group, so let's keep it something that is more related to tourists. But not only that, you can also input a custom scenario. But tourists lost and confused seems pretty relevant to Changi Airport, so I'll go next. Now, who am I? Am I the frustrated tourist or the helpful tour guide? So I'll be the helpful tour guide and let my opponent be the frustrated tourist. I go next. Now we have understood the scenario, our roles. Let's now, customize the personality of our opponent. Is it angry Andy, a middle-aged man who is easily frustrated? He's impatient. He's rude. We have clueless Claire. We have anxious Alex. Or you can even put a custom opponent role name of a person or even a personality. I'll stick to angry Andy. Let's pick how Andy looks like, and obviously Andy got to look like a male-looking avatar, isn't it? Okay, now you get an overview of the role play. In this role play, I am the helpful tour guide, and my opponent is a frustrated tourist. Whenever I'm ready, I push start, and I will immerse myself into a virtual environment. Wow, this looks like a very nice environment.
I'm lost and tired of wandering around. How do I get to that famous attraction? This city is a maze.
Okay, so this is where we are going to provide response to my frustrated tourist Andy here. Hey Andy, please stay calm. Now tell me, where would you like to go in Singapore?
Calm? Seriously? I'm trying to find my way to Gardens by the Bay. It shouldn't be this hard. Just tell me how to get there.
Well, that's easy, Andy. You just got to go to the basement and take a taxi. Tell the driver that you are heading to the Gardens by the Bay, and you should reach there in no time.
Basement? Why didn't someone just say that sooner? Ugh. I wasted so much time. Now, I need a taxi. Where exactly is this basement?
Okay, so this is how the role play goes on and on. We will just give one more response and wrap up the role play and look into the final results. I'm sorry, Andy, I can't possibly take you down to the basement because I'm held up with work. So good luck in finding your way to the basement. Goodbye.
Great, just fantastic. Now I'm stuck here with no help. Thanks for nothing. I'll find it myself, but this is ridiculous.
Okay, so let's submit and be back to reality. You have your virtual AI assistant here. So first you're going to get a radial score. I only scored 34%. That is bad,
This
right?
is your overview chart and your score.
Let's go to summary. Summary is a gist of the role play.
Here's a summary of your roleplay activity.
Let's go to detailed report. So detailed report would identify the areas which you did right and where did you go wrong. And it doesn't only say what you did wrong, but also what you could
Here
have
is your
fixed it.
detailed report. What the helpful tour guide did right. 1. Provided directions.
So that's an example on how you can show Eon soft skills role play using your mobile application. Apart from that, I'll be also happy to show you some use cases from our customers here in Singapore, and we have also done a white label for their institution. So for example, ITE education services. So for IT education services, they focus a lot on precision engineering and also other subjects part of the manufacturing sector. So you can see we've done a white label here, and these are all the main subjects where their learners are benefiting from using our platform. And then we also have another Singapore government institution, which is NTUC Learning Hub, National Trade Union. And here, our customer focuses a lot on soft skills for part, which is part of their Skills Future program. And we have also done a white label institution. And we also have another client who is Focus Medica. Focus Medica, they use our platform to generate various human health science related contents. Okay, so with that, thank you very much.